Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a look at this Blue Ox standard Towbar 2-inch hitch connector. Now this is going to replace the hitch connector for your Blue Ox Avail, Apollo, or Ascent tow bars. And on your screen for your reference, I am including the item numbers of those tow bars that this is going to fit. And this does include everything that you see here on my table here. Of course, you are going to receive this hollow receiver and the pin and clip, and then the hardware, and also instructions to guide you through the installation process. And while we're here, let me go ahead and just give you some measurements that might prove helpful for you. Looking at the measurement of just the shank itself, lining up my tape measure here. As you can see, we are sitting right at 12 and 11/16 inches long. And if you were interested to know the overall length, looks like we're pretty close to 19 3/4 inches long, end to end. Now this does have a weight capacity of 10,000 pounds. However, with any towing setup, your overall towing capacity is only as strong as your weakest component. So refer to your tow bar manual for your towing capacity. And this is the direct replacement from Blue Ox. So you can proceed with confidence knowing that this is going to replace the hitch connector for your Avail, Apollo, or Ascent tow bars. Well, that's going to wrap up our real quick look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.